is amazing how much work has been done on this building. I mean, think back. I mean, when we started this video, this was just a worn out, blown out, old, just stinky garage. But it's turned into a real thing. And this is a dream come true. It literally is. I never thought that I would get to take care of my family with guitars, with videos, with helping people find the right guitars for them. Now, the biggest thing is how fast this whole project happened. We'd had a couple quotes from other people. Caleb gave us a quote. It was the best price and the best quote that we'd had to do what we need to do on this building. But the catch was, he said, I have to start in 2 days, which was crazy, and we weren't ready for that. I had no idea how much more work it would be making these videos in addition to Guitar Hunter videos. But let's check out this space. So the first thing we did, and I'm sure you've seen this, we added all of this siding on the outside. We painted the door. One of the questions I always get asked is about security. We added a security camera up here with a floodlight, a motion sensor. There's also a keypad on the door. Coming around the back, down here is the air conditioner, and this is from Eric and Star Heating and Cooling, which is another amazing sponsor of the channel. So back here on the back of the building, we also added an outlet. So in case I ever need power out here for whatever reason, it's just easier because the other outlets, actually the closest outlets I think are on the side of the house. Let's walk inside and I want to show you the inside of the place.
What does it mean to be free in this American dream?
So when you come in the door here, you'll have this open wall on the right side. This is going to be photo editing, video editing, computer work, and then behind you, over here, so this will be the main presentation area, and then over on this side is going to be a guitar workbench. So here's the air conditioner, that's from Star Heating and Cooling, and then underneath here is going to be a workbench. I'll figure out a way to do a vertical shot, and then back here in this corner, I want to get a metal rack so I can put guitar cases. I just know that guitars tend to double. You have a guitar hanging over there, and then you have a case back here. Very quickly, you get guitar cases everywhere. There's one last thing I want to show you. Can I get fancy? Can I do this? Oh boy. So right there, we put power in the ceiling. The reason we put power in the ceiling is that this is not a big room, and the problem with this room is that there's not as much floor space. I'll mount stuff on the ceiling, and so ideally I'll put a rack in here. I'll be able to hang my light on it, and I'll also be able to put a microphone off of it. And if I could get those two, then that's two giant floor stands that I don't have to have in this space. Now, none of this could happen without the friends that I have in this world, particularly Spencer and Eric from Star Heating and Cooling, from Caleb from New Beginnings Contracting. I'm just so thankful for my friends that have been able to come alongside of this project and make this thing happen. So all of this space will be a place that I get to help fill the world with music and friendship. This will be the first time that I've ever had a dedicated space that's just for guitars and creativity. There's next things that need to happen. Like, for example, how echoey this is. The next big thing is to get carpet. I think that will help the most in just killing the noise in here. So we are leaving how to turn a standalone garage into an office space, and we're now moving into how do you turn an empty room into a YouTube studio. If you want to offset the cost of this, I have felt awkward every time I have said this, but there are people who are incredibly generous. So there's a donation link in the description below. Do not feel any pressure. I'm glad you're along for the ride. It's been really fun. Thanks for watching. I'm Jeremy. I'll see you later. Hey everybody,